Yeah.
Hello everybody, good lesson, well done. Difficult lesson, difficult I know. We're starting to look at articles. So the first thing we did was to just look at articles with nouns. A house, a problem. And then we looked at the possibility of adding an adjective. So you could say a big house, a real problem, a very bad person. But the article needs a noun. This is the most important thing, okay? Sometimes you can add an adjective to it if you want to. Here were some examples. You can say near a house, near the house, or you can also say near my house. So sometimes you don't need to use an article if you're talking about my thing or your thing or his or her. So you can choose. So here's an example. This is a car. This is my car. After that, we just had a quick round of what we eat for breakfast, what we have for breakfast, and we asked the question, what do you have for breakfast in the morning? And then we went round the room, we did some writing, and we had a couple of lovely sentences come. I have a tuna sandwich for breakfast, and of course the lovely one, I have an English breakfast in the morning. An English breakfast, okay? It was very nice. Some people don't even use an article here because breakfast is uncountable. But I just wanted to show the difference between or an. But because breakfast is actually uncountable, we actually don't even use the article. We just say, I have English breakfast, okay? But there's something about an English breakfast that I like. Anyway, then we moved on. Countable nouns, you can count them. This is a table, this is one table, two tables, three tables. You can count them, you can make them plural. A chair, chairs, an egg, eggs, a grape, grapes. You can do it with any countable nouns. For one thing, you must say a or an. And remember, we use an for words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. But remember, we only use a or an for one thing. Okay? And countable nouns can have plurals, bananas. And we have different plural endings, which we will learn next week. Ending sometime in S or ES or IES. I will teach that to you next week. Okay? I just put an example here. It's a banana. There are a lot of bananas here. So you can see where the grammar changes for countable nouns. But for uncountable nouns, they can only be singular. No plurals, no articles. So we just say, it is milk, or there is some milk, or can I have some milk? Or have you got any milk? Something like that, but no and no plural. So that's where we are at the moment. It will get more and more and more every week until we learn all of this. It's a very big subject, okay? Well done for today.